Well, the sun's out. I checked the panels. They both have power. The ZAMP roof connection box was wired the way ZAMP does it. And so I matched the polarities. So we now have 500 watts, a little over 500 watts of solar on the roof of this beast. I still have to come back up and seal the roof with the, I believe they call it dicor. It's in the top of my room. But that project's done. That's why the satellite's out. The owner decided to seal his roof with that white shit. And now the satellite's out. That's what happens when you that roof. That's his plumbing wrapped in carpet on the top. The roof's leak. Oh well, it's cheap. You guys take care. Have a beautiful day. All the more power to you.